Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel Let's Talk Stocks. So today I've got a very exciting video. Now this channel's only been up for a month or so and I've had a number of people that have consistently liked my videos, shared nice comments on my videos and just shown me support along the way. So in order to give back, I wanted to do a sort of collab video and I wanted to contact the people that have inspired me most to keep on with this channel. So I reached out to a number of people and I asked them to introduce their channels and then to tell me what their favourite stock is and why. So to start off, let's go and have a look at my favourite stock. So for those of you that have been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that NIO is my favourite stock. And the reason I like NIO so much is it's still a relatively new company. It has a lot of support from the public. It's got a lot of backing from the Chinese government as well. And I can just see it doing really well within the next couple of years. So this is just showing you the graph of NIO over the course of a year, and you can see it's grown very nicely, very steadily over the course of a year. So that's the reason why I invest in NIO, and that's the reason why it's my favourite stock.
Hey, my name is Helen from Her Penny Potential here on YouTube. I talk all things personal finance and investing. And my favourite stock at the moment is Fuel Cell Energy. So their trading ticket is FCEL. I bought in at around $17, but I think they're trading at the moment at around $26.20-ish when I last checked. They're basically a fuel cell power company. They manufacture fuel cell power plants that purely run off natural gas and biogas. So really exciting for the future. I think they've got some really good things coming up in 2021 for some really great growth in the market, but also over the next couple of years. So a really good stock to watch.
Hello, my name's Craigo. For those of you who haven't met before, it's lovely to meet you. First of all, I would just like to say a thank you to Let's Talk Stocks for letting me feature on this video. My channel name is Craigo and I specifically talk about investing and personal finance related matters. The purpose of this video though was to showcase my number one stock that I am excited about on my portfolio. And for me, it fits well with Let's Talk Stocks channel, and that is NIO. And the reason being is NIO has fantastic opportunity for growth in the UK and the US markets. They look like they are going to be a massive competitor for Tesla. One of the main reasons it is one of my favorite stocks is, of course, it has given me fantastic returns. I'm excited about, and I genuinely think it will grow a lot higher in the future. I brought in at $40. But that is all from me today. Once again, thank you to Let's Talk Stocks for having me on your channel. I look forward to seeing many of you soon. Goodbye.
What's going on, guys? Irish Wealth here. Forgive the mask at work, so I need to comply with the regulations. Thanks to Let's Talk Stocks for having me on the channel. My channel is all about saving, investing, personal finance, a little bit of everything really, bit of crypto as well. So if that sounds good to you, give me a subscribe. That'd be great. Favorite stock, individual stock, probably Palantir for now. Got in a couple of months ago when it was very cheap. It's after driving in price lately, and I think it's going to go a lot further in the next few years. So definitely a long-term hold for me. And in terms of ETFs, I love my Vusa for the S&P 500. So thanks again. Subscribe to Let's Talk Stocks and subscribe to myself as well. See ya.
Hi guys, my channel's Profits and I make videos on everything investing and making money online. If you want to go check it out, I much appreciate that, but less about me, more about the stocks. So as you can see here, my favourite stock is Arrow Global, ticker symbol ARW. They're a company that focuses on buying and then selling debt for a profit, and their share price has absolutely rocketed in the past month. It's up 43%. This is because TDR Capital, the private equity company, put in a bid for them at 305p per share. Though I don't think they'll sell for this price, as companies like Jefferies value them at 420p per share. If they just return to their pre-pandemic highs, then that'll be massive gains for all of us, but they're aiming to get their share price up to 900p, will be 3 times their current share price, will be absolutely amazing. I think it will drop as this TDR Capital offer won't go through, and I think that might be the perfect time to buy and get into this company. So guys, my channel was Profits and this is my favourite stock. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you on my channel soon.
So I'm Ewan, I make videos about personal finance and investing, and I'm also a trainee accountant, but I'm hoping to do this full time. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll see. I pick Apple because personally I've got an Apple phone, got Apple MacBook, We've got Dr. Dre Beats. So personally for me, it's a really good company to invest in because I know their products, I know how well they're made, and I use them personally every day, all three of them every day. So for me, that's a great investment because I'm using what they produce. They've also got great financials. So they've got a lot of cash on their balance sheets, which is really good. We love to see that. And this just allows them to invest into more products and to constantly innovate.
So thank you so much for inviting me onto the channel. I've never done anything like this before, so hopefully it's all right. But anyway, my channel's about stocks and investing, probably like everyone else is, to be honest with you. And yeah, I started my journey last year, and I thought I'll decide to record my journey in the stock market in 2021, 1st January, and that's what I did. I started my YouTube channel documenting my stock journey and my investments. And yeah, that's kind of a brief thing. I do a stock portfolio update once a week on my channel and just letting you know how it's doing. But my favorite stock has to probably be Palantir, as it's my biggest holdings. I think they're going to be amazing in the future, what they're going to do. But then also another one I do really like is CCIV, as they could be merging with Lucid Motors. But anyway, thanks for inviting me on, and yeah, give this video a like because I think this is a really cool idea.
How's it going, guys? My name is Paul Briscoe. I have a little YouTube channel called Paul Briscoe where I talk about different stocks, mostly dividend paying stocks. And my favorite stock at the moment is called KLA Corp. Now, KLA Corp is a semiconductor company. It's a semiconductor inspection company. It's got a huge moat and it's doing very, very well at the moment while we have a semiconductor shortage. It does all of the inspection for 80% of the market all around the world. So this stock, I think, is a little bit overvalued at the moment. It's still got a little bit of room to run, but it's definitely one of the least heard of semiconductor stocks. It's not your AMD, Nvidia, Micron, anything like that. It's not even Intel, but it's one of those smaller ones. ASML is also a very, very good one as well. But it's one of those smaller ones which no one's really looking at, and it's going very, very well at the moment. Probably still just a little bit of time to get into KLA.
Hey guys, it's Brian from Rich Beyond Our Means, where we talk about family, finance, and living a rich lifestyle through earning, saving, investing, and real estate. We post an investing video weekly. One thing I'll talk about is Apple stock. That's done really well for us over the years. The reason we love Apple is not just because everybody else buys it, but mainly because its return on invested capital and return on equity is hard to beat in the industry. It's basically a stalwart for us. We're mostly value investors, but we also do like to speculate as well. I do have one speculation pick that I've invested in recently, YY, and over 21YY, which is a social media platform in China, has been on a tear so far this year. YY has a very low valuation when it comes to a technology stock, and it is in a market that can potentially hold extreme and rapid growth. If you want to see investing videos about many different types of stocks, whether it be speculation or value investing, we talk about that weekly here at Rich Beyond Our Means.
Hello, my name's Matthew and my channel is Frugal Finance, and we talk about all manner of things from property through to stocks and shares and various life hacks and things to do that will save you money. But the purpose of this video was to talk about my favourite stock, and that is AGNC, because I love them because they pay a monthly dividend. It's a reasonable yield. It's not too high, not too low, but actually it's a nice feeling getting a dividend around the middle of the month every single month, and the more money you put in, the bigger the dividend. And it's a very stable stock. It doesn't fluctuate too much, so you haven't got this kind of offset against the fact that it may be going down or up. So that's my channel. I'll pass over to the next YouTuber and continue cleaning out my garage, which is my Valentine's gift. Oh, how romantic I am.
Thanks for having me, mate. So I'm CJ. I have my own channel, Trading with CJ, where we talk all things stock market. Now, what's my favourite stock? I would normally answer Tattooed Chef, but today we're mixing it up and we're going for Gevo, ticker symbol GEVO. Gevo is an energy efficient company looking to be sustainable in the carbon sector. Their aim here is to achieve net zero carbon emissions, which is absolutely incredible. We know the world is moving in this direction. The co-founder of Gevo is on Joe Biden's science team. The Democrats have obviously just gone into administration. They're all for this sector as well, which is another major catalyst for Gevo going forward. They have good financials, they have absolutely zero debt, and we can't wait to start seeing the revenue come in. They have a product, it is ready to go to market. They're hopefully going to get this fuel into planes, boats, cars, you name it, it is ready to go. I think literally the future is absolutely huge for Gevo. That's why it's one of my favourite stocks.
Hi, my name's Cavan Hagan from Cavan Hagan Investing. I'm a 20-year-old from Northern Ireland and I don't really have any background in finance or investing or anything other than I did a business studies. And although my channel isn't really trying to go deep dive into all the stock analysis like many other channels, I'm just trying to help get people into investing because it is really powerful and everybody should get into it as soon as possible because of the compounding effect. And I'm normally a dividend growth investor, but at the minute I'm all in on my LISA. But I do hold one single stock in Trading 212. And that stock is, of course, Tesla, because I have such high conviction in that stock that it's going to do really well. And I just can't miss out on the opportunity. So Tesla stock to the moon.
Hey, so my name is Deandra and I have a channel called Finance D. And on my channel, I talk about all things personal finance. I'm sharing my journey to financial independence. I'm a 28-year-old and I am hoping to retire way before the traditional retirement age. And currently, one of my favorite stocks that are on the market or part of my portfolio is the American Battery Metals. So this is my first penny stock that I have ever bought, and it's done me well so far. And what I really like about this company is that they are looking at environmentally friendly ways to recycle batteries, lithium batteries, and it's just fantastic. There's a need for it in the market, and so I think big things will be coming for this company moving forward, and I'm excited to see where it will go.
Yo, what's up, James? Okay, so first of all, a big shout out to your channel, Let's Talk Stocks. We gotta get you to 100 subscribers, so if anyone is seeing this, you haven't already subscribed, let's at least get you to 100 subscribers, and then you get your custom URL. Okay, so as far as my favorite stock, I would have to say it's a tough choice, but overall, the one stock that I have consistently been buying that I really believe in over the next like 10, 20 years would have to be Google. And I know it might be the cliche thing because like I'm on YouTube, but I see what impact YouTube has had and just how often I use Google and just all of their innovations and basically anything they could do. And that's a stock that I really believe in, that I've been consistently buying in since about 1,300 or so, and to see it go past 2,000 is incredible. But that's one of those stocks that for me, I could keep buying a little bit every single month, and I'm confident 10, 20 years from now, they're still going to be innovating. They're not going anywhere. There's very little risk that Google would be obsolete at some point. I would say never here, but that I would say overall, if I'm going to pick one stock, it would probably be Google. My second favorite stock would be probably Cheesecake Factory. Been buying Cheesecake Factory since March, and I got in around, must have been like $16 a share, and I loaded up heavy again at like $18, and I'm really happy to see it doing so well. I just like the Cheesecake Factory. And then third, Tesla. I mean, obviously, everyone's going to say Tesla, but I like Tesla a lot. Tesla's done really good for me. And then Enphase. I think as far as energy is concerned, Enphase is fantastic. So that's more than one. But if I were to pick my one favorite, Google. So anyway, that's my extended 2-minute long shout out. Make sure to get you to 100 subscribers. So there we go. Also, make sure to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Helps out a ton, and really hope that helps. Enjoy. Good luck.
Thank you for having me on your channel today. My name is Jake Cooley, the Money Master, and on my channel we talk about investing in the UK and the US stock markets, analysing stocks in the likes of the S&P 500 and the FTSE 100. And on my channel we also do some portfolio reviews of my portfolios of Hargreaves Lansdown and Trading 212. So if that's the kind of stuff that you're interested in, then be sure to check out my channel. In terms of my favourite stock out there at the moment, it is an insurance company. And the first thing you're thinking when you hear insurance is that it's probably quite a boring industry. But this company called Lemonade is disrupting the insurance industry with its extremely low prices, undercutting the rest of the market and using its sustainability as a USP for the rest of the market in terms of its competitors. So I've got some impressive returns from Lemonade over the last couple of years, almost 100%, and they're one of the top performers in my portfolio. This is partly one of the reasons why it's one of my favorite stocks, but I really love how they always disrupt the industry and are constantly innovating at the moment.
Hey, what's up guys, Adam here, and first of all I'd like to say thank you very much to Let's Talk Stocks for allowing me to feature on his channel. So my channel is all about investing, personal finance, also documenting my journey to financial freedom and wealth building. I also run my own videography and web development company, so I also give some advice and business tips based around that, as well as working full time. So my favorite stock thus far has to be Alpine for technology. Now they mainly focus on automotive services. They're a relatively new stock as well. I actually bought into this stock when it was worth around 33 pence, and I featured it on my Trading 212 update video, and at that time I think it was yielding around about 210%. By the time of filming this video now, it's actually yielding closer to 330%, so really great gains from that point, and I'll be definitely interested to see where it goes later on in the year. So if all that sounds interesting to you, then be sure to check out my channel, and I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching.
Hear ye, let it be known throughout the land that I, Russ of Dapper Dividends, hereby do proclaim Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol JNJ, to be my #1 favorite dividend growth stock. They have products that make the world go around across their pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer products. They have low stock volatility. They have consistently growing earnings and revenue and a stable dividend, but that's not the best part. The best part is that their dividend has been growing consistently for 59 consecutive years, making Johnson & Johnson a dividend king, and I hereby do bow to the king of my #1 favorite dividend growth stock, Johnson & Johnson.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. There's a number of stocks that people mentioned that I haven't even heard of before. So it's provided a lot of value to myself, and I hope it's provided value to others. Gives you some stocks to go and look into and see if you want to add them to your portfolios. Thanks again for watching, and thank you very much for everyone that took part in this video. Links to everyone's channels are in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.